Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and add the TON ecosystem coins or tokens to your Bitget wallet. If you go to CoinMarketCap, there are a lot of coins and tokens on the TON ecosystem and most of them are not listed on Bitget wallet, but you can still go ahead and add them to your Bitget wallet and I will be showing you all the steps. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link in the description, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as Crypto505. And once you create an account on Bybit, you would be getting exclusive access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange, apart from the $30,000 sign up bonus. Now let us go ahead and quickly open the Bitget wallet on the mobile phone. Now once you are here on the Bitget wallet, simply go ahead and click on wallet at the bottom right. And from all mainnets you will need to switch it to TON. So let us go ahead and search for TON and click on TON. Now go a bit down and click on manage tokens. And as you can see, you can find some of these coins or tokens on the TON ecosystem in Bitget wallet. So simply go ahead and click on add. And then we'll add Notcoin as well. Redo. And we'll go ahead and add TON. And we'll go a bit back. And as you can see, now these coins or tokens are added. Now let's say if you don't find a specific coin or token on Bitget wallet, then simply head down and let's take an example of maybe any random coin. So we'll take one meme coin. So we'll go ahead and take this Powell Durev. Simply go ahead and click on it. Then go a bit down and you will need to go ahead and copy this token contact address. So let us go ahead and copy this. Now head back to Bitget wallet and once again click on manage tokens and under top go ahead and paste the token contact address. So we'll simply go ahead and paste it and allow paste. And as you can see, now this token is popped up and it has given a warning it's not listed, but we can go ahead and add it. So simply go ahead and press on this plus button. And as you can see, this token is now added to your Bitget wallet. Now since it's not listed, that's the reason why the logo is not populating, else the logo would have shown over here. Similarly, you can go ahead and add other coins and tokens on the TON ecosystem to your Bitget wallet. So this is all for this video with regards to how you can add coins and tokens in Bitget wallet. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.